Well, good morning, guys. Backyard Scrapping here, and we made it. We made it to 500. I think we're actually a couple over right now. So this is our 500 subscriber giveaway announcement. I'm going to go ahead and dispense with the formalities real quick. I just want to say that this giveaway has nothing to do with YouTube, and YouTube does not have any part in sponsoring this, and that Backyard Scrapping Me is solely responsible for this giveaway. Also, this giveaway is going to be available only to the US and Canada. I'm sorry for all my overseas subscribers, but it's just getting to the point that it's, almost ridiculous in the postage cost to send something to you. And then, certain things can't be sent, money, sometimes bullion. So if someone from across the pond or in another country wins and you would like to pick someone else, that is okay with me. Just drop me an email and let me know. Also, I would really like to give special thanks to Mr. C, to Man Mountain Link, and to Lake House Beach for helping out with this giveaway. I really appreciate you guys sending me the stuff you sent me. That was really nice of you. Really nice. Right quick, I'm trying to do this fast. I'm getting one day off this week. I actually had to work Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I'm off today is Sunday, so I'm getting this put together, and then I got to work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So I will go as quickly as I can. I want to show you guys the prizes and the places. So this is first place is going to get a 4-leaf clover, a Backyard Scrapping magnet. This is approximately a ½ ounce. This is the .49 troy ounce Kit Kat bar, a 1926 Standing Liberty quarter, 90% silver, 1918 90% silver Merc dime, a 76 bicentennial Ike dollar, I believe it's a Denver, a 76 Kennedy circulated proof half, Don't Tread on Me copper round, and then these little baggies I actually divided up amongst all the prizes. This is actually my cash drawer finds for the past year. Wheat pennies, buffalo nickels, foreigns, so I kind of divided those up to throw those in. Second prize, and this is a 1 of 1 up here. This is a 1 of 2. The silver from Mr. C's Silver Refine. We also have a 26 SLQ, a 38 Merc dime, a $76, 76 half dollar, the SVDB copper round, and a mixed bag of coins. That's for second place. Third place is just about the same, I think, except for instead of a 38, it's a 41S Merc dime, and I think there's a variety this year. I think there's a large and small mint mark, but I don't know which one this is. I haven't even really looked at it. Then the rest is about the same. Fourth place is going to be this replica gold bar. I believe this one is the Buffalo, and I think it says it doesn't reference it makes reference that it is a replica, so that is nice. I like it when copies have some reference on them that's what they are. Also a 26 90%er, a 56 Rosie 90%er, the gold issue of the Statue of Liberty commemorative. I don't know if these are a medallion, a medal, or what they are, but anyway, this is the gold version. I actually have a couple of these. I think George even sent me one of these. Another circulated 76 proof, the VDB copper round, and the bag of coins. And fifth place is going to be the $100 bill copy, gold bar, a 26 Standing Liberty quarter, a 44D war nickel, 35% silver from LHB. Then this is the silver version of the Statue of Liberty Centennial, a bicentennial half, the VDB round, and the bag of coins, the mixed coins. Yeah, those actually are what I've got out of the cash register about over the past year. So it's pretty good. There's some, I just laid them out and randomly made the bags, tried to make them kind of even as I could. And that is it, guys. So remember, in order to enter, you need to be a subscriber, you need to like the video, and you need to leave a comment in the video. Okay, everybody, that should just about wrap it up. Available entries, or you'll be able to enter starting on Monday, April 8th at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And the last entry can go in on Saturday at 11:59 p.m. April 13th, 2019. And I want to thank everybody again for getting me to 500 subs. I never dreamed it would get here so fast. I've never dreamed I would even get 500 subs. But anyhow, guys, thank you very, very much. I appreciate it. And once again, I want to thank Mr. C for these beautiful little silver bars. I want to thank Man Mountain Link for all the stuff that he sent. And I want to thank Lake House Beach for the stuff that he sent. And thanks again, guys, for all your help. Thank you, all my new subscribers. And I'm going to let you go or I'll be babbling forever. So we will see you all in the next video. Good luck to everybody. Don't forget to get in on this. Have a good one. This is Backyard Scrapping, signing out.